bayan. Ipagbunyi natin ang nakaraan at isulong ang kinabukasan.
ABS-CBS Broadcasting Corporation, a commercial television station transmitting on a 50-kilowatt transmitter output with service number BSB-0060-97, authorizing this station to operate until December 31, 1999. Channel 2 studios and transmitter are located at the ABS-CBN Broadcast Center on Sergeant Esguerra Avenue, Uniman, Quezon City, Philippines. Channel 2 engineering is headed by the following personnel, duly licensed by the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Marcos A. Elizalde, ECE number 256, Eduardo Flores, ECE number 1352, with first-class radio telephone operators Herman Claviano, 1PNCR 12239, Ernesto Balini, 1PNCR 18482, Franklin Mira, 1PNCR 10316, Carlos Namarte, 1PNCR 5873, Jose Olier, 1PNCR 4345, second-class telegraph operator Armando Palmico, 2PNCR 6364, and electronics and communications engineer Marco Sala, EC number 1922, Roland Garavito, EC number 12135, and Robert Del Rosario, EC number 15403. This is ABS-CBN Channel 2, now signing on. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few seconds, we will be on simultaneous nationwide satellite broadcast. Please stand by.
Bakit ako nandito? Saan ba ang tungo? Kanino ako magtitiwala? Kung puso at isip ay ligaw, sino bang kakapitan? Sabihin ng kaniyang pangalan. Narito, buksan ng puso ko. Hawak mo aking kamay sa aking paglalakbay, at ngayon ay nakita ko, natutunan kong magmahal. At kahit na muli mong masaktan, lahat may dahilan. Kadilan Bakit ako nandito?